What's up guys, I'm Thunder from Tech Related, and in today's video I'm gonna explain why I haven't posted for over 4 or 5 months. Alright, so first of all I need to make sure that you understand I'm doing, and I've been planning a rebranding in these 4 months. My Discord server is just changed, we will get there in a moment, but I'll be showing you what I've been changed in these 4 months. Right, so let's go to the Discord server, and well, when you enter the Discord server and you verify yourself, you have here verification category. You will have the rules, alright, our basic rules. You just need to click this, it will say please react to get verified, and then you just press this reaction rule. Then you will have access to rules. You have the same rules here. Information about the server. There are new ranks like Nitro Booster and Staff and Moderator, for example. I've been added bot commands, we will get there. And I have added also the server navigation, which is probably an interesting topic to view, to understand a bit the server. I have put my links here and a website which I'll be doing soon, and other links like a general invite so you can send to your friends this invite. Discord terms of service, you just go here and see the terms. And of course the tab for the Discord invite. So this is a ticket tool, also here I've put it today, and this is like a system where you can vote for help. It's like a help tool that helps me explain, or the staff explain, how the server works. Right, so this is it on information. Let's go to the next tab. We have announcements. You have all the announcements here. I posted this yesterday actually, so you will be seeing this if you join now my server. I will be linking my server down below so you can join. This is new videos tab, just when I upload new videos or somebody uploads new videos. Here we have tech news, like for example I will be posting the iPhone 12 launch and some of more techie stuff, techie news. Here are some free games you can actually download and the links of it. And yeah, I will be adding a lot of Epic Games because Epic Games, you know, in this time they're being so nice to us and just they're giving us free games. So why not? These are our Nitro boosts. So everybody who boosts the server, it will be showcased here. So we have the general chat, the gaming chat, media chat, content share, vehicles. It's you can just talk about vehicles in here. You can post pictures of vehicles in here. It's just a nice touch to the server. Memes, of course, you have memes. Anime, you will have anime. Discord suggestions and video suggestions you will have here, and you can write your suggestions about videos or about the server. For example, what do you want to implement it? So you have also bot commands. I've pinned the bot commands of Rhythm, for example. You have tech talk here, like it's just tech talk. Tech support, you can ask any questions you want, and in tech talk as well. You have also custom mods for those who like to showcase their custom modded PC or setup. Post an image of your setup, of your current setup, and it will be showcased here. You have audio for audio help, for how to use a mic, how to set up a mic, how to install a mic system, and video, how to work with cameras or how to set up your monitor or stuff like that. This tab, I only can see this is private bot comms. I'm testing here every bot I actually add of these ones. I've already added Carlbot, CCONbot, CleanChatBot, KoyaBot, Miss6, member count, reaction rows, rhythm, security guard, which is Dino. I just changed my name, and Hacker Shack and Ticketool. So that's all the bots that are on this server, and yeah, that's it with administration. Oh, so you have in voice chats, you have Journal 1, Journal 2, Music 1, Music 2. In Journal, of course, you talk with other people. In Music, you just listen to music. And Staff, it's just for staff only. VIP only. Moderators only. And leaders only. And yeah, if you want to tell me what videos I should upload, you can just write in a comment section, and yeah, I will see you on the next video.